This is not an entrepreneurship school you expect to exist, and that's exactly why it does. We admit just 35 students, not thousands, not large batches pushed through the same theory heavy curriculum that produces job seekers and not job creators. Midas was built with a different intention to create entrepreneurs who think clearly, decide independently, and execute confidently in the real world. Founded in 2012 by Professor Parag Shah, a serial entrepreneur, academician, and founding chairman of Flame University Pune and Oxford Golf Resort, Midas brings decades of real business experience into one focused, immersive learning journey. Here, entrepreneurship isn't taught from textbook, it's experienced. The first 6 months are fully experiential. Hands on learning, real challenges, and real decisions. The next 6 months are incubation, where ideas become businesses and intent becomes execution. By the end of 1 year, students don't just finish a course, they leave as founders or as future ready family business successes. The curriculum goes far beyond conventional management education. Critical thinking, negotiation, entrepreneurial economics, import export, talent management, blue ocean strategy, power and politics, even video content creation. Because modern businesses need modern leaders. Learning is reinforced through boot camps, rural immersion, industrial visits, and sales and negotiation challenges. Experiences that build judgment, resilience, and confidence. Family business successors conduct a full family business diagnostic and build a clear, actionable roadmap for growth. First time founders do market research, customer interviews, vendor empanelment, and build a real MVP, meaning they already have a company before they graduate. Over the years, Midas has worked with 300 plus family business heirs and 200 plus first time entrepreneurs, helping them launch, scale, and lead real businesses. So, if you come from a family business and want to modernize, scale, and professionalize what exists, or if you're a serious founder ready to build something of your own, this is not a place you should consider. This is a place you should already be learning it. Midas School of Entrepreneurship, Bengaluru. Not a college, a launchpad.